So this is the Kestrel Tab-Tension CLR screen by Elite Screens. It is designed for ultra short-throw laser projectors. It has multi-layer optical sawtooth structure material that absorbs up to 95% of overhead lighting. The material enhances picture performance, contrast, and black levels with a superb color fidelity. The screen material filters out ambient light for a superior image brightness and performance. It concentrates projected light back to the viewer and does not scatter throughout the room. Even under direct ambient light, it maintains color fidelity. It also has ultra-wide viewing angles, which allows viewers to spread out while maintaining a uniform picture quality. You can have the screen on a tabletop or sitting on the floor. The weight balance keeps the screen stable. It comes with two remotes with rechargeable batteries via micro USB. One is infrared and the other one is radio frequency. The commands are very simple: up, stop, and down. Now the screen rises and lowers using scissors back cross spring and powered by a tubular motor. It takes about 24 seconds for the screen to fully open and the same to close. This is ideal for locations where a dedicated fixed screen cannot be installed. Now another feature is this little USB. It is a wireless 12-volt trigger that you simply attach to your projector, power up the projector, and it automatically sends the signal to the screen. So by the time the projector boots up, the screen is already open. And it works the same way when you turn off the projector. You can also use the onboard controls. It is a simple three-way switch that rises the screen, stops it, or lowers it down with a press of a button. Now there is no assembly required. It is a plug and play and you're ready to enjoy your movies or TV shows. It is available in two different sizes, 101 inch and 121 inches on a 16:9 aspect ratio.
Elite Screens. Get the big picture.